Why invest with a goal in mind? We all have some goals in the lives, and to attain this goal, we need to plan investments in smartly. Investing with a goal in mind helps you decide on where to invest, how much to invest, how much risk, and how long to invest. But why is it so important to know your goals before investing? Consider a simple example. Investing without a goal is like traveling without knowing the destination. You never travel without knowing the destination. Then why invest your hard-earned money without knowing the goal? Thus, always have a goal in mind before investing. Want to get started, but don't know how? Planning a goal-based investment is as simple as planning a trip. Let's see how. You first decide a place where you want to travel. Similarly, you need to start by listing down all your goals and prioritize them. Then, you decide when you want to travel and the overall budget. Similarly, you need to give a proper timeline to every goal and finalize on how much you need to invest. You may have a budget but fear air travel and might not prefer it. Similarly, know your risk profile and finalize asset allocation accordingly to stay peaceful during investment journey. Now, based on your budget and preferences, you can evaluate different hotels and transportation options. Similarly, based on your goals, timeline and risk profile, you can now evaluate different products and asset classes for short-term goals, like buying a vehicle or creating an emergency fund. You can invest in liquid and debt funds. While from mid-term goals like marriage, foreign trips, one can invest in hybrid funds. And finally, for long-term goals like retirement and child education, one can invest in equity funds. Finally, you can take advice of a travel planner to get best deals and customized offers. Similarly, you can consult a financial advisor to help you select a right product based on your needs and risk profile and help you meet your goals. So, ready to start your goal-based investment journey? Wait. Consider these points while doing goal-based investing. Goals should be SMART. That is, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound. Consider impact of inflation while computing the amount you need to invest for each goal. Track goals and rebalance your investments periodically to ensure you fulfill your dreams. Now, you're ready to start your goal-based investment journey. What the experts say. Investing with a goal in mind helps you stay committed and focused to your investments.
To know more, get in touch with Kataria Group today on 7344010001. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.